Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. And if today is your first time of stopping by, then you're welcome to the family. Guys, I have another tutorial for you, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to use needle and thread to make a 2x6 lace closure wig that's also known as Kim K closure. So continue to watch and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do is to place the wig cap onto the mannequin head and use a tip. Your videos have been so helpful. I'm so inspired by her. Like my sister always says, Christabel, your mentor. And yes, Christabel is actually one of my mentors. And if you guys don't know, I didn't go to school for this. I learned everything that I know on YouTube, although I did pay for a couple of e-learning from Christabel's. However, 99% of everything that I know about hair is from YouTube. So guys, make sure you share this video to anyone that may be interested. You don't know, you might be helping someone. Okay, so guys, you want to make sure you sew very close to each other. Don't go too far apart. Okay. Moving on to the bundles, guys. So you want to put your needle through the web and start sewing. And by the time you get to the end of the almost the end of the thread, put your needle through the thread. I hope that makes sense. Then for the second one as well, I always go through the weft before I start going under. Now you're going to knot it twice to secure that in place. So it's not going to move, it's just going to stay in place. Now I'm going to start going under the weft. And like I said earlier on in the video, I always use blanket stitch method. So guys, I always do fold over method. I usually don't cut hair. I usually don't cut weft. However, I do cut where I need to. So to do your fold over method, so you want to open up your tracks and sew down the first one. Leave the one under. Then once you sew the first one to the next place you want to start sewing, then you can grab the second one and you keep going. You see it's laying flat, it's not bulky. Can you see how flat it's laying? You can't even tell it was doubled. So that's the way to do your fold over method. So, guys, I would like to know what you think about 2x6 lace closure in the comment section. So, guys, and after I'm done right now, rather, I'm sewing around the closure, as you guys can see, and after that, I went ahead to put elastic band and wig comb. And if you guys are interested in seeing a video of me doing that, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Okay, and guys, if you do make your own 2x6 lace closure using this technique, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and make sure you send me a picture on my Instagram. Is at slayedbymt. That's slayed by Madam Titi, and that's me, Madam Titi herself, the one and only Madam Titi in Canada. Period. So I still have some weft left, so I just went in between the hair to put that. So guys, and that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.